In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS entries in Hostinger. This process is essential for managing your domain's settings and can be particularly useful if you're looking to direct traffic, verify your domain, or manage email services. Don't worry if you've never done it before. I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's dive into how to access the DNS Zone Editor. This tool is the key to managing your domain's DNS records. If your domain is making use of Hostinger name servers, you'll want to start by navigating to the H panel, which is Hostinger's hosting management interface. Here's what you do. Begin by heading over to the Domains section and click on Domain Portfolio. Locate your domain on the list and hit Manage right next to it. Within the management options, select DNS Name Servers, then open up the DNS Records tab to start managing. Now, if you also have hosting attached to your domain with Hostinger, there's another slightly different route to take. In this case, head to Websites and manage your site. Once there, click on Advanced, and then choose DNS Zone Editor from the options. This is where you'll find the area to make changes to your DNS records. With the DNS Zone Editor open, it's time to add a new DNS record. Look for the option that says Add Record and give it a click. You'll be prompted to choose the type of DNS record you need to create. The possibilities include several types like A, SNAME, MX, TXT, AAA, SRV, and CAA records. The entry fields you need to complete vary depending on the type of record you choose. For an A record, you'll need to fill out the name. If it's for the root domain, use @ or type in a subdomain like blog. Then, in the points to field, enter the IPv4 address, which typically looks something like 185.185.185.185. If you're adding a SNAME record, again, type in your subdomain for the name and enter the host name you're aliasing to in the target field, such as connect.hostinger.com. For an MX record, indicate an @ for the root, or specify the subdomain name in the name field. Then, you'll need the mail server's address for the points to field, paired with a priority number, like 5 or 10, which dictates the order in which servers are used if the first is down. Should you be working with a TXT record, fill in name again with either @ or your subdomain and type in the value, which might be an SPF record or a verification code based on your needs. Importantly, unless you have a specific reason to adjust it, leaving the TTL, time to live, at its default, typically about 1/400 seconds, is advisable. Once every field is properly completed, go ahead and click Add Record to save your new DNS entry. And that's it. You've successfully added a DNS record in Hostinger. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.